trustworthy. I am overwhelmed. When you wipe away my tears, it be like say I dream my day. When you do this one for me, it be like say I dey dream. I be nothing say you go still do one for me, Baba. I be nothing say you go still come wipe away my tears. I be not taken by faith, but you came and bring me around. That's you are God. That's you are God. Never fail. You know, be man.
Brother Nelson, my beautiful sweetheart.
Lady of sun. Don't take out. I can make it no more. I can't see it no more. He is a car when you know my is a thing. You don't want me. He is a car when you know my is a thing.
Nobody Maureen is okay. You not do well, oh. Stainless, thank you. Hey, my husband don't they happy, oh. See my husband don't they happy, my small husband don't they happy, oh. Hey, see my small husband. Oh yeah, give them. He's super excited. That's it, mommy. Mommy, where now? Where are you coming now? Cover me like canopy. No evil can come to me. If not be you, tell me where I fought it. You've done enough.
I see your walk. At your waist salute.
Make we dance and jolly jolly, because God owns the one. We dey go, we dey go higher. Now.
Don't take out. Why you make it no more? Don't take out. Why you see me no more? Take out. When you know where you setting, you don't want me. Take out. When you know where you setting,
Let's see how they clear, Senna. What's okay, oh? I say no sound, no. Let me go. Let me turn.
oh my Father, we say thank you for giving us victory. If I in my year, my was to look at me, every see my apple, Mario, the don't know, Mario, but I said, look, if I would you would have Baba will say, you do what you
Yes, sir. Yummy, yummy.
don't take out. Why can't they get in no more? Take out. Why can't you see them no more? Take out. When you know my is setting it, don't want it. Take out. When you know my is setting it, I say no sound, no.
Iya wari e yo to wa gba. Hey. To wa gba. Ni lo be ba. Una come for road. Clear road. No, clear road for me. Make appreciate my people. Make appreciate my good people. After una na. No. O ma gba me van now. After una, na. After God, na. After una, na. If I say look at from today, the tank gonna go reach next year. It no go reach. Eseni wo ba mo say. Yeah, when you walk in one if I say I should tell the world the love that the dope people have, they won't believe. Because you know that bad thing travel far more than good things. If na bad thing just start, you see am, no Benin people go carry am, everybody go dey carry am, but because say na good thing now, nobody go see am. You understand? They will just say Benin people, the good things, the love wey we dey show, no dey see am. Yes, we are Domenuzom. Wawese. I have come to appreciate you all for the love you guys show to me. I don't know say that's so not good. I don't say that's so not be. I know they agree me person use mouth to bring my Benin down. I know they agree. Anyway they talk about my people negatively, I they always the verse. I know they like them. Because we they try. If nobody tell us say we dey try, make we tell ourselves the truth, we dey try. When it has to do with love, showing of love, we dey try. My ear. And God will bless you now. For the hand una take carry me during this a whole 2 months. It's not easy now. A whole 2 months now I stay. Leave my family, leave my children, you know, and you all welcome me. Can't be like say I can't deal with my family as well. You know they miss house. Maybe I will be here where duro because he might feel where hero one in a strange land. You guys make it homely. So you guys know get me. I say ya can not wa ya say next year I do with him for my ho. Ala wo go. Ogo mahari. Romanta. E wo ma go na mero ide wa me no e ame no se erosion e no mo wa ame no ma ame na ya koka ame na ya kemi o izore e gba me ni e ogo e wo ma go na mero ji ma they are proud. Yesterday we came in cool. People were just admiring me, you know. They look me, say, oh, see our Beyonce, see our Beyonce. Only that name, they suits me. Easy. No. They come and see our Beyonce. The way they say they appreciate me. I can't feel big. I can't feel like really. I can't feel like Beyonce. I don't see you are savage. The way they admire me for show yesterday. Because the show I went to yesterday, nobody believed I would make it. Even the family that hired me for the show, they've already given up. She's not coming. Show still in Manchester now. She not they come. But the main person will just carry me for inside. That one no say I will come. I have to. So that next time they go know say this person they reliable. So that show yesterday, I really enjoy it. Yes. I always say. We are the Domenuzom. Me no ti wa, we wa, or si wa. A daughter we wa. Let's start with the place so one. I'm home. Ye gbera me ya jo na me gbera me ya re. Wa ni me wa bo do na me gbera me so wa e. Enu wa ya wi yo bo me. Ke no ri me la wa, ke no fi la e me, ke no dik mo me. Ya when it do a measure a name. Or bungbe. E ma no ma measure any o be do agree. And your mom made sure anyway upon everything I did. Every one of you, including people that gave me a penny. Emi lo wa. Emi na yawe mi wo wa. Igo hera la igo wo bugwa. Igo ala igo. Why we go seka? Why we go sogo? Why we go wo boga jiwa boja wa ya wa wo ma wa ya wa bege. Elegbu wa go kwa. Why is it me ame? Why is it hospital? Why is it a problem? Then why are we your me? If I know, nothing. What? Just make sure if everything was just too much. Everything was just too much. Europe, UK, you guys are wonderful. Emani organized all the shows in Europe and UK and Dublin. You all are wonderful. No where you were. And when I need your boy to spread it, to advertise it, you all are wonderful, beautiful souls. Salbari enuwa, salbano la wu, no get mawa. When we are support where quite any na na they were. do where I don't buy mwegbo. When I boy me yeke where ongi mana hin. Ti wa savage reko. Esimi rewa, yemi alade rewa. But ono na ongi ma be na hin. Ini ma be yayo na hin. Gi makoko temu. Ni ave yegwe yes. Ma be mo gi ma. Wana gele bi boyo. Ye do back on where Lady of Song ye to or ye Europe or ye UK or ye do back other try. As far as social media is concerned, every tribe no social media they all saw it. It went viral. When Benin people get one lady where they call Lady of Song. She just told the old world. Yes, it's the old word. So any boom married me. I do what I if you move in my head as well because me, as far as what my year with me, what not making me proud. A European me, you know, a woman, one of the young where na bontalo here kekano where who wa full ground remain in me. Una there for me, una love me, una cherish everything I do. What they do, they give una happiness. Una just give me more strength. Oh, what is double strength in me? Ni yawe more, and I am not going to disappoint you all. Iye kwe mugwa in anything. When ni me gijena, when ni me wajena. Oma kwe bume adama do bubi yima o. Ime hiaka do nefansi nene. Oma bubi yoma o. Wa weni we eh. Wa wale tamale we so I. Iso aye. Wa le so aye. O wale tamale we wori ma gu we bubi yo a o. I wa le si anuwa. Why when he made Latian or no, Egisunu because he anywhere a money will make booby. So money will make so I will not do a thing that will jeopardize the love you all have for me. I will not disappoint you guys. I am still going to make even people know you tell where Esther a bad person, Esther not good, Esther not good. I am still going to make sure I win your heart. That is my journey on earth. You will see the reason to love me. You will know that. Oh, this Esther is not that person. He's not that kind of person. Even what I mean, the opportunity is going to come for you to be close to me. Because there's nothing about this life apart from love. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Let the love flow. Affect my life positively. Then I affect your own positively. Then iron sharpness iron. We good to go. Because death can come at any time. Death can just knock at any time. You will be gone forever. I even hear where or you know it. I think my year we not say baby me eh. Ina vie say baby be ina be adi we na be do mi we mi na be go. O ma no gu na every day. Every day o ga de gbe bebe. Egi yan ri re. O ma be egi no because mo no see ayo so e gwa egbe. You understand it now? Say to me say wa be bu ba we baba na. My baby will survive. O wa be again me do me gbe da ne. I do ate that girl. Now that I am alive, let me do something that will make people to remember me for good. Or one way out of 100, 50 now remember me for good. I am good. I am good to go. So that is it. If you don't know, or you are wesi. Iye gbe ya fefe ya mi. Imu gbe ya ri oto ya mo nwa. Yes, nwa ume. Yo bon wa ya mu me zebo mi wa. Wa wesi kakabo. Wa wesi kakabo. Alawo da wa ya mi na onu wa yi wo wa. Wa ye pa ma wa ye ba wo o ma nu wa. O ewe bonu wa je ni. Emi no ju wa ri e ba. O kan su wa bo we no ma. Wa gbogbe ku abo yeye wa ku won ne re. U da o se no re we bo. E o ri bi e ka. Mo te na we te mo ni de we bo ne ti wa mo ni no ma wa na ye se ti ji wo no wa. Ese wa o ri gbu wa. Ere ri gbu wa ye se wa yi we se ne se ma je yeye. Ayi we se ne se ma je o. Ere ri gbu wa ba mi wa ye gbu wa wu. Wa ma la gbon. Wala wo when na Sunday. When you gonna wa bere igbe butu ina gbe sosi. Yepo. Ye we wa ni bun we star. Ole fo na e. E Manchester ye o. E Manchester ye. Even ni afi Meriku no de. Ya afi no let it obraje. Oko. Sweetie ni vi oke UK re phone. Ya vi owe. Hey, he got him on 2020 naira. Ni ya fi Meriku no de. Ina le si e po handi bag. Ya fi e ne pado braje keke wo let. Ni baba. Iye to me ni mo se. E de na no. Ya mo egbe ne, uta ne.
Walao.
Manchester. Ew, era me no gie. Era ni yagaga. Ero letting. Baba. Do ya Peter we oda semi roma oda semi yoma. Come on for there. O let me waja nu we mu ebie.
What it?
O let me janu we mu ebie baba. KP. But Paski one of Manchester, o let him me janu we. Of you when no, it's your son. We one mu ebie baba. O ka mu ebie before. Or na anybody obena do ye obena baba go we o. La wo ra me. Edo we ra me wa ge mo ma.
Gaji.
Aji. Ala wo. Baba oba no. Ku we ko wo kan we. Iga ye gbe ya fe ya ro to nu wa o ma se. Baba oba no. We se kakabo. We se baba ku we ko wo kan o ji wa mi. Enu wa ya wo yo let me onu wa yi wo wa we se kakabo. Baba JJ. Biggie. JJ Barry conglomerate. O mi ekpen no gbe mi so e.
Aso.
We ko wo han we. Wa we se. O ji wa mi baba. O ri ekeyeye. Oda o kian o ri oda na mi pin awe.
Ise.
No ma sa hian ka. Aka we ba no ma se ni. O kian mayo marite yeye.
Ise.
We se baba. Awe me mami do bo de. Etan. Emi ya na wa le asunti. Eri Oreje no shake ana no goma. Eri ke no be aje. Now you know now we ema we me we kakabo. Ema dege mi nu. If you bought with here, eru den out of 10. If I no kai we umani say udoru doni we e na ni una igi we ihia zobo. Omo say anan. Omo say anan. Anu eti ni. Oni say no ri eti we. Who done our baba? The wakare go. Lawo down. Who work on how we vie o de. Okpoko ni je son eri e son madagba. Ko je wese. Mana bi an egbi ma. Ji wa mi.
Wese.
Bo je no gi.
Amen.
Lawo go wala ho. Baba Richie.
Aso.
Richie. Ya no mo sefo.
Up JJ Barry.
Edu ne ku no ra me. Akono dameresia. Richie the gentleman. But only you Richie. Thank you so much, my darling, for your care, for the love, for the support, and everything, for your time. May God bless you. May God bless you. You are such a nice man. The man Amanasikoma, I don't know, the time he has to you're too much. God bless you. And lastly, hey, Zuzu.
Piro.
My honey pie. My sweetheart. My sweetheart. Sweetie. My Zakwa. That is destiny. Not Salugwe Ebago.
Desperado.
Ambassador Desperado. Who is Zuzu? You're my darling. I love you, darling. Thank you so much for the time and everything.
God bless you, sir.
I did it well. What I share. Understand? I did it well. What I share. There's so many people today that really they got talent, and I will have talent. You know, the beautiful ones are not yet born. And I preamble my him. I don't clear away me one me talent.
Kakabo.
Or he might learn my him. He want talent, but there's so many talent that are wasting away today. Why? Because they don't have a helper. Nobody to help them. Me only one me waste. Me kedo setting to me helper. Inu my or in the bully at backward. Because he mami go away. But one day, so nobody to wear. Let me send you a helper. Who was a very small boy. Small boy. All the way you wanna mama get away. And the guali go and borrow you and do away. Away and they say boy in my help again. But you met it nothing today. At the end of the day, even when my first album was good, when my bomb was a bomb, all yeah, in one blows and there. In one it was everywhere. But I'm not swing anyone. A blue me all round off your wa. And I blue ballet dance. Do you know? There are some conditions that will make you to really.
Without that yourself.
Oh, working on my own. So was managing. I've always been but I've always been a virtuous woman. I like to put A to B to make sure things work out. Even when things were very hard, I still put people along, still take care of people. You know, I go even leave my own, do other people own. I believe in that one be the reason God said, if I bless this person, he's going to bless so many people. So let me just bless him. At the end of the day, they try small, they try for myself, they do well. Before he came around and he told me, babe, you have talent. All you just need is somebody that will push you, as in someone that will just push you a little bit forward, and boom, you will go viral. You understand? So at the end of the day, that was how the whole thing started. Today, if I want to say thank you, after God, it's destiny. After God, because everyone no invest on somebody. Because if they want to start investing, at the end they lose it, he might gain it. But he was never looking at that. He said, let me just. Understand? So many men that was coming around, you know, but at the end of the day, some men will not do it. Oh, I met you. Here do I invest? I done well, but he never looked back. Let me try. But even as a dentist, we know that he was still trying his best. At the end of the day, so about begging the effort of two of us, where all we want is just the best. Where we got the best. Today, God is doing it. And after that,
who is there?
After all, what's so pushing then, you know, trying to add things. People started seeing me like, oh, this girl really got talent. Oh, this girl is doing well. People started adding their own, you know. Ijobo ni me today now. Egi you borrow 20. Egi you borrow. In fact, egi you borrow 100. Ni me give me. Era ni me ogi boom. Ije ni me ogi boom. Everybody now, you know, they are really supporting me, encouraging me.
Okay.
So they are going to salute about me, no matter what you appreciate say kakabo. You ain't going to anything you but just to say I love you and I appreciate you, all you have done for me. May God bless you. May God bless you. Don't worry, yeah. I'll give you 2 kisses if you come, okay? All right, people. Thank you all. I'm going out. Don't forget tonight. I'm ready for Manchester show. As you can see, I'm on my way.
Let me see that money.
I'm going to blast Labadobaye with money. I got fucking money, man. Don't try me.
Oh boy.
I got this is pounds. This is pounds. I got
Nigeria money.
No, this is pounds.
Now so
I'm going to spread them money. See you guys later. Love you all.